websites are getting fun again, and I really want to share this one with you. I think it's a great source of inspiration, and if you are a developer, the chances are that you already have seen Niall's work. This guy, he's a developer, and he has a bunch of like really crazy games inside of the browser, and all of them are fun and I love them. I'm Not a Robot is one of the most fun ones. I want to do this with another friend and potentially publish the video. So you go through these like I'm Not a Robot captchas, but it gets so freaking difficult that you will hate your life for it. And not just difficult, they get like fun and difficult. They get really fun, and it's so creative. So he has this, and he has like a bunch of other games that you might have seen. So I would just say go to Niall.fun, play with some of the games he has. Like this one is very simple, like life checklist, be born, choose a password. It gets more and more difficult. You might have seen this. The chances are you have seen this on Twitter. So like the password, it must include a number, and then all of a sudden you see like you're 10 levels, like 20 levels deep, and it asks for the phase of the moon emoji based on your location, and it gets absurdly difficult. So yeah, have a look, get inspired. Niall is amazing, and I'm really happy that people like him exist. Give him a follow on Twitter, and yeah, he's quite known. I see also here he has 81k followers. Yeah, probably because this is the type of things he works on. So yeah, pretty fun.
Very cool.
You could spend hours, if not days, in his website. Like literally,
that's such a cool thing. Just to like, I'm just going to make up some games and just list them all. And
and like imagine like if you'd get just paid to do this. I don't know how he's making his money. I saw he's running some ads. I really don't know how he's making money, but it'd be really cool to just sit and do this type of things.
Yeah. I mean, he's showing his work. He's just making a name for himself. I don't doubt that he's not expecting to make money, but off the tail end of that, being hired,
probably
being sponsored or whatever. It's really cool.
Yeah.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.